So we're wrapping up the second half of the vocabulary of 5A.2. Empezamos con carnes, pescados, y mariscos, being meat, fish, seafood. Los mariscos here, seafood, so just seafood in general. And mira lo que pesqué, so we know that pesqué comes from pescar, to fish. So look what he caught. So it's good to know when you're ordering food exactly what you're ordering. So we have el cangrejo, crab. La almeja, these are clams. El camarón, shrimp. El pulpo, which is delicious, that's octopus. El atún is tuna. La crema de camarones. La crema is just like a cream, like sour cream or something like that. El tocino, bacon. Whereas la salchicha is sausage. Here we have la carne de res, and this is kind of a unique sort of term, but when you see carne de res, what they're telling you is it's beef. La ternera is veal. If you know what veal is. La costilla is a rib. Like, you can actually use a costilla like you have ribs, costillas, but also if you're going to eat ribs, it's costilla. There are a few other things, la carne molida. So molida being that word, that adjective for ground. La chuleta is like a chop. Cerdo is pig. So you put that again, a chuleta, and they're usually just referred to as chuletas, but a pork chop. El cordero, lamb. La langosta. You'll see lots of different versions of that in menus. Langosta, langostina, things like that. El salmon, not salmon, salmon. You got that accent right there. And la trucha. All right, so let's start with anduve buscando un flan y un sándwich de mantequilla de maní. So anduve comes from the infinitive andar. This is an irregular preterite conjugation, andar being to walk. You can also use it to ride on things. Andar en bicicleta. It's synonym of montar sometimes. Buscando, looking for. Un flan. Un flan, it says is a custard, and it is. It's a custard dessert, but it's not just custard. It's a little bit different. Un sándwich de mantequilla de maní. So un sandwich, you want to know. We've talked before about sandwiches, and then you use de to say what kind of sandwich. This one is de mantequilla de maní, which is peanut butter. Some people use this word, cacahuate, for a peanut. Quisiera un filete de pescado, so kind of like querer, to want, but I would like. Un filete is what we're really looking for, is a fillet, a boneless cut. De pescado, what kind of fillet? You can have a fillet de res, a beef fillet, or de pescado. Lo voy a freír. I'm going to fry it. Para la cena. Me río cuando veo los mariscos mirándome en el mercado. Me río comes from reírse, which is to laugh.